Design by CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am participating in the Fall Lantern Decor collab hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner. So what I'm going to be doing, this is my lantern, and you'll see that I've got some fall decor here, and I'm going to decorate this, and we'll just see how it comes out. Now we're standing in my kitchen area. You guys, if you follow this channel, you've seen me decorate my little kitchen cart here before, but today we're going to do a lantern. So stay tuned while I get my decor pieces in order, and we're going to first start by creating the lantern swag for the top of the lantern. Now I'll show you here, this is what I'm going to use as the main piece for my lantern swag. And what I'm going to try and do is create a swag that will sit on top, and I do want a larger piece on this side, and then I'm going to do some smaller pieces on the other side, if you can see that. So that's the plan. We're going to put it together. Now, instead of tying a bow, I do have a pre-assembled bow that I'm going to use. And guys, I will tell you, I picked all of this merchandise up, all of these floral picks on sale at Michael's. Michael's was having a 70% off clearance, so it's a great time to go in and you know, make sure that you pick up all your fall florals. So I'm going to put this together, and we're going to see how it comes out, and then I'll put it on top of the lantern. All right, guys, so the first thing that we're going to do here is put together our lantern swag for the top of our lantern. So again, this is the larger pick that I picked up at Michael's, and I'm going to put this on the longer side of the swag. And then I think I'm going to make this pick, I'm going to have this pick, I think, on this side. I think that's a nice balance. The color's nice. All right, so I'm going to fill in, and you can see what I'm doing here. Fill the pick in a little bit with some of these smaller picks that I picked up. Or fill the swag in, rather, sorry. I think I can do something like that. And then just to fill it in a little bit more, let's take the tag off of this. We'll use these little yellow picks that I also picked up at Michael's. And here they go. We'll spread them out a little bit. Just to add a little color. And let's see. I think we're going to put this one on this side. So that it looks like that. And then we need a little more fullness and a little more pop of color on this side of the pick, or this side of the swag. So we're going to add, you know what, I think actually would look better if I do this and then put this in front of it. Yeah, I like that. So this is what our swag is going to look like. And I'm going to attach it, put it together with some floral wire, and we'll be ready. everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, this is the Fall Lantern Collab 2020. Now, the host, again, is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. I have left a link to her channel in my description box, as well as the link to the playlist. So I do hope that you will visit Miss Kenya as well as the playlist. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Also, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I hope you will do that today, and make sure you tap that bell at least 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.